to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in to my channel. So today I will be telling you guys about Alondra, which is the new Outre's Melted Hairline collection. I did get her in 2 colors, and I ordered her in a DRFF Ginger Mahogany as well as a DRFF Cajun Spice. So I wanted to try these 2 colors out. For one, because I've never ever worn this color before, and 2, I don't see a lot of Ginger Mahogany reviews online, so I wanted to get Ginger Mahogany to try it out. But this unit does come with a deep 5-inch parting space, so it's going to come all the way from here to here, and you will have lace from ear to ear as well, and it is big head friendly, so you are going to have a lot of room to work with. It does come with baby hairs. It comes with 2 combs on each side and a really big comb in the back, as well as a pre-attached elastic strap. And it does have baby hairs, which I like a lot. They're very, very wispy looking, and they're not over the top, so they're very, very natural, and you don't have to do a whole lot. The hairline is perfectly plucked. The only issue I have about the hairline is right over here. It just seems a little thick, so I'm used to having less density hair on the hairline, but that's okay. And I think that's it. So these are the other colors that the wig comes in. It does come in like your natural colors, of course, and then you have your browns and blondes and burgundies. So yeah, and I ordered this online. I believe she was, oh my gosh, I never remember the price I paid. I think it was like $44 for each one. So, but yeah, my opinion on this unit is it is affordable. It does have a light yaki density or texture, so it doesn't feel silky. I think this unit is going to hold up for a very long time. And yeah, so it does have these pretty curls that are pretty long. I'm only 5 feet tall, so This is where it falls on me. I think I like the ginger mahogany color on me better. I don't know. I just like the oranginess to it. This has more, the Cajun spice has more of a red undertone. And what I noticed on the ginger mahogany is that the highlights look more bold. So like I have a highlight here, but it's not very noticeable like it is on the ginger mahogany. So yeah, but I do like both of these units and I do recommend them. So if you're looking for something that's affordable and you don't want to have to deal, you know, with a whole lot of work, Outre is definitely one of the companies that I would recommend for you. Yeah, so if you made it this far in the video, I definitely want you guys to thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.